guys, in this video I have got some unboxing of the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Yes guys, I have bought this device from offline stores and I got this device under the 30,000 rupees. I got this device only in 28,000 rupees from the local market. So let's unbox this device and let's see what is under the lid. So first of all, whenever I remove this lid, I have the best experience ever because I am unboxing my third OnePlus device. Yes, first of all we have a OnePlus logo and the branding of Nord lineup. Let's take this aside and this is our OnePlus Nord device. Yes, it's here and yes, really the OnePlus Nord device looks really different, and the Nord CE is a really great device and it's really very light. So let's keep it aside, and it's unnecessary thing. Then here we have a lid. In this lid we have a soft TPU case and some documentations. Under this we have some OnePlus stickers, Nord and some safety information guide and membership card and lots of things. So let's keep this aside, and here we have this OnePlus 30 watt super fast wrap charger. So it's amazing. And then we have a charging cable with the red accent, so it looks amazing and very different from any of the devices charger. So we get only these things in the package. So let's keep this aside and let's come to the device. So the device looks really amazing and the purplish shade here is really lit.